Oh, hey guys. Welcome to another edition of San Diego's Thursdays with Thorny. We left off with checking out our platinum certified service department. Let's go check out some of the technicians. Hey, do. Hey, Mondry, you busy for an interview?
Clearly. Fuck off. Oh! I got plenty of time for you, bud.
All right. This is Mondry here, a technician at San Diego Harley. Mondry, how long have you been with the shop?
10 years as of last month, January.
Damn.
Yeah.
It's been a freaking minute.
Yeah.
So what got you into riding Harleys?
Working on them. A fancy facility with lifts makes it easy to do here.
Oh, wham bam. Do you remember your first bike?
I still have it. It's a 1976 Ironhead XLH. 1000cc, as you know.
As I know.
Your vast knowledge with Harleys go.
I know it all.
Yep.
Do you have a couple of bikes yourself right now?
I have a mini museum going on, and they're all on display to my right here.
Let's go check them out.
Yeah. This is the Evolution motor. This bike itself is a 93 Electroglide Sport. It is not a Road King. Putting that out there. FLHS. And next to it, next generation twin cam is a Road King. It's got the side filler. That's a 95 cubic inch, 2002, with the Super Trap on it. And then you skip to the modern era, 2025 Road Glide, which this has. I have plans for this one. The game has changed. And you should collect as many bikes as you can. Yep.
Yep.
All right, I got work to do.
All right. Well, thanks again for coming with me to bug my coworkers here at San Diego Harley. Check out what we do, the team behind the scene over here. If you have any questions, lay them down on the comments below. Give us a like, shoot us a little follow button. It means a lot to the dealership and to me. Yeah. Be safe out there. See you on the road. Did I tell you about the cat that rode up in service the other day? A cat rode up right up to service. Like, oh, hey, Mr. Cat, what can I do for you? Cat's all like, yeah, I need to get my brake pads replaced. I was like, all right, which ones? Rear.
That was the best one yet.
Oh, yeah.
I think so.
We're going to do an outro here.
So we don't have anything in inventory.
Wait.
It's all the setups.
What we talked about.
Oh, shit.